Hi everyone, welcome to MSCR Makes. I'm Miss Julia and today we're going to make moon sand. For this project you will need flour, vegetable oil, a bowl to mix things in, your measuring spoons, a half-cup measuring cup, a spoon to mix things with, and I'd recommend something like a tray or a cake pan to play with your moon sand in. You can go ahead and pause the video here and gather your supplies. Now that you've had a chance to gather your supplies, I'm going to move some things out of the way. So, for my moon sand, I'll be using this recipe. I'll use half a cup of flour and 1 tablespoon of oil. If you want to make more, you can double or triple your recipe. But I'll just do the smaller amount to show you. The first thing I need is 1/2 cup of flour. I'll go ahead and put it in my bowl. Then I'll grab my tablespoon and my vegetable oil and measure 1 tablespoon of oil. Then I'll use my spoon and mix everything together. You can see how some of the areas have clumped up a little bit. I want to make sure that it does not look like there's any clumps of oil in my mixture. If you need to, sometimes it's helpful to use your hands. I'm using kind of a pinch and squish motion to help incorporate all of the oil into the flour. Remember, it's a pinch and squish. Kind of like if I was making pie dough. You know your moon sand is ready when you can squish some of it together with your hand and it will hold its shape, but if you poke it, it will crumble. Now that my moon sand is ready, I can use some things to play with it. So I'll grab my sheet tray and I can put it onto my sheet tray to play with. This way it's a little less messy. Moon sand is also fun to play with outside or in a place that does not have carpeting. So I can use it to form whatever I want. I can make little sand castles or other cool shapes. Something else I like to do is if you have any small cups, you can take your moon sand and gently pack it into your small cup. And if you flip it over, and you can do this either on your surface or in your hand, it will make the shape and stay just like a little sand castle. And if you want, you could take another smaller thing like this teaspoon, and I can do the same thing, pack it in, and gently press it out on top and make tiny little sand castles inside. And when I'm done with this sandcastle, I can squish it and start over. Because your moon sand is made out of food things, oil and flour, it won't last forever, but that's okay. It's still fun to play with and make lots of different cool sculptures. I hope you enjoy making sculptures with your moon sand, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!